welcome back to Home Time XYZ. It's Natasha. Hope you're having a great day. And today I'm back with my friend the air fryer. I haven't gotten the new one yet, so this is my new friend. And today I'm gonna just do some grilled chicken. So I do chicken all the time, all kind of chicken in the air fryer. It's quick, it's easy, whether it's frozen, so you can do the frozen chicken straight from the freezer, or fresh. So I season up my chicken ahead of time, I put them away. If it's from the freezer, it might take a little bit longer. I try to keep them flat, so if I put them in, it's just easy instead of them bunched together, but today they're bunched together. So usually if they're bunched together, you have to separate them apart. But the point is you put it on a low temperature and let it go. Then if you need to add a little bit more, that's fine. You can add some barbecue sauce on it later on. You can add some peppers on it, do whatever you want. But I'm just gonna do the basic. I've seasoned them already. I'm just gonna do the basic grilled chicken to show you how it's done. I do it with salad. I use it to make my fried rice all the time. I make pizza for the kids with it, whatever. It's chicken. You eat it however you want, season it however you want, have it however you want, okay? Finished more or less, except these were on top of each other, so I had to pull them apart. So this one will need a little bit more time, but usually if they're flat they'll be done. So at this time, if you want to add stuff to your meat, so for instance I'm going to add some barbecue sauce to this. You don't want to put the barbecue sauce in too early because then it can get burnt, but you can put it a little bit earlier than this if you want. So you can put some barbecue sauce on here if you want to, right? And if you want to just cut it up a little bit, because it was joined under the other ones, I'm going to put it back in just for a little bit more. So let's cut it and see, still needs a little bit more. So put that back in. What I will do with this one though, let's put some peppers. So if you want, this is where you can do all your fancy stuff, right? Maybe like 10 minutes to go. You can get a little bit creative with what you want to do on it. Let's put some olive oil on it, just so it doesn't dry out, and this will cook. Alright, so 10 more minutes. Usually for the barbecue sauce, I'll take it out, put it back in for like 5 more minutes. Okay, everyone, so here we go. Let's cut it. So it's a little crispy on the outside, just a little bit. Now if you don't want it to be crispy, then you can all put the temperature lower. But there we go, soft. Chicken breast, moist. Juicy chicken breast. 30 minutes, 375 degrees. Okay everyone, so chicken's finished. So we have chicken breast. So this is the one that was frozen. So I had to stop midway through and kind of pour it apart and pull it apart. That's why when you freezing chicken, like usually I try and freeze them flat. If I take them out, I put them in. I don't have to worry about that. I can just put it on and it's done. But today I had to fight a little bit. So this is it, the grilled frozen chicken. So it's just to show that, and it's soft, right? Sometimes the air fry can dry out chicken, so that's why it's always good to start low and go high. Or something I do sometimes, put it in a dish and cover it with foil. So if you want to have sauce and stuff like that, do that. Cover it with foil. You can put a little water in it, or some oil, or some butter, whatever you want to season it up with. Put it in and you have some juice in it. So that's one way to get juice. So the juice is not going at the bottom of the grill, right? So that's it. Easy peasy. Put it in, leave it. I tend to season up my chicken when I buy them, or my meat when I buy them, put them in the freezer or put them in the fridge, and then they're ready to go. This was the one that's done fresh, right? Again, you can do it crispy if you want, more crispy, or soft if you want just a soft one. And look at this one. So this was the one that needed a little bit more cooking, but it's just nice and juicy, right? So start low, go high, but it's about 40 minutes, 375 in the air fryer. If you don't want it too crispy, I'll say 375, 30 minutes is a good one. But look at that, look at the juices, right? So this is good on a salad. I have my cauliflower fried rice with this one. Oh my god, guys, this is so good. So cauliflower fried rice, it has cauliflower, it has ginger, it has corn, it has carrots, it has onions. There's some broccoli in it as well. And yeah, it's done on the stove, but it's really good. But I hope you guys try it again. A quick meal in the air fryer, you know, some grilled chicken with salad or whatever you want to eat. But thank you guys for watching. God bless you. I'll see you again next time. Try it. Let me know what you think. And have a great day. Bye.